Ready to game and stream like a pro? Check out this beast of a build. CPU Ryzen 5 7600 desktop processor, 6 cores, 12 threads, 38 MB cache, 3.8 GHz, up to 5.1 GHz AM5. CPU cooler. Cooler Master Hyper 212 Spectrum V3 RGB. RAM Patriot memory. Viper Venom DDR5 RAM 32GB, 60GB, 6000 MHz. Motherboard MSI B650M Gaming Wi-Fi. GPU Zotac GeForce RTX 4060 Ti GDDR6 GB. SSD Crucial P3 Plus 1TB PCIe Gen 4 Power Supply Anasports FG650 Gaming 650 Watt 80 Plus Gold certified. And the last is cabinet is of your choose or budget.